small amount of eggs look like a large quantity, you can do a simple trick by adding a little bit of oil. This way, the eggs will appear fluffier and larger, like cotton. If you liked the recipe, please support me with a like. Thank you. A lot of dishes like the ones in front of us, filled with dirt, mold, and grease. The girl in front of us decided to clean it, and we will see the transformation for each product, even the simplest ones. Even the plastic piece she didn't think to throw away. She's starting to clean and treat all this with the strongest cleaners, which may have very strong mixtures like oxygen and other powerful cleaners. These mixtures might be available in spice shops, which could be one of their secrets. This time, their concentration is very strong and highly effective. Of course, not everyone can use these types of cleaners because they need a specific measure, and at the same time, you have to take all your precautions. If you liked the video, don't forget the likes, your enthusiasm, and your subscription to my channel.